Hello again, and welcome to our video on how to add multiple shipping addresses. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to actually add multiple locations you want the product shipped to. So let's take a look at our customer we created, ABC Accounting. Now, when we created ABC Accounting, we set up her billing address to Lisa's credit card. And when we set up a shipping address for her, we used one of her locations as the shipping address. Now, this is very common. People have their credit card address and zip code attached to their home address. And so if we're going to have a different location, we'd have a different ship to location for her office. In this scenario, this location has been chosen as the default location, and any location can be chosen as the default. And all that means is when the customer goes to check out, that address populates in first position. They can always use a pull down to select whichever location they want to ship to, but that just means that that location is the default address. So let's go ahead and add another location for Lisa. I've gone ahead and started filling in the blanks here. So the second location for Lisa, she's going to have a different point of contact, and that's going to be Paul. And we titled the company a little different so it separates, it knows what it's called. So in this case, it'll be ABC Accounting 2. And we put the address, and we changed the zip code, the email address for her. Now, if we wanted this again to be the default, all we do is click on the default. And then every time they check out, that would be the first populated address. That's all. But if they wanted to choose to ship to any one of these other two addresses, they would just use the toggle, select the address, and they could ship then to the other address. Once the information is entered, click here to save. Once the new shipping address is entered, it'll show up in the tab here, and you can have a dozen different shipping addresses. This becomes a very powerful tool, and you should take advantage of this and add all of their shipping addresses in. Remember that the billing address is attached to their credit card or how they're getting their method of payment. But they can set up multiple shipping addresses, and when they check out, they can select which address they want the product shipped to. Let me show you how to take advantage of this and make it easy for the customer. Let's pretend this is Lisa Moore's home address, which is attached to her credit card. And this is her location number 1 and location number 2. You could change these names right here on the company, this line right here, which makes it very easy then when they pull down to select where they want it shipped to. So if I go to edit this address, I can make the company here say home, and I can make this say ABC Accounting 1. Then she'll know where to pull down. Any of your customers that are private companies, let's say in this case the accounting firm, it's very easy for you to set up their home address for them too, so that you can get their home business, so that you can get the printers of their family and their kids and that type of stuff also. So to edit, we just go here and select the word edit. And I'm going to go ahead and edit Lisa's home and accounting number 2 and get her all set up ready to order. When the screen populates, I'll just edit this and say this is Lisa's home. And click here to save address. And I'll do the same exact thing for location number 1, and I'll just edit to say accounting number 1. So now, just to recap what we did, let's take a look at our customer. We created ABC Accounting. We attached her billing address from her credit card. And then we also then selected a couple different ship to addresses for the customer. Since the billing address was Lisa's home, we went ahead and renamed the company pull down to say Lisa's home, so that if she wants to order and have products shipped to her house, it would be very easy to ship there. And then we added office number 1 and office number 2. And office number 1 was set up as the default address, which basically means that when they go to checkout, that address will populate. But we could always select which other addresses we would want items shipped to. So it's really that simple. So until next time, thanks again.